Imagine an organ that allows you to think, remember, see, move, feel, breathe, and even dream all while you are completely unaware of most of the work it is doing. That organ is your brain, weighing roughly 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms in an average adult. The brain contains around 86 billion neurons. These specialized cells communicate with one another through electrical signals and chemical messengers, creating the complex network that controls almost everything your body does. But how does it actually work? Let's take a journey inside the human brain. Your brain is protected by the skull, 3 layers of tissue called the meninges, and a cushioning fluid called cerebrospinal fluid. Together, these structures help protect the brain from physical damage. Inside, the brain is divided into several major regions, each with specialized jobs. The largest part is the cerebrum. It is responsible for many of the abilities that make us human, including conscious thought, memory, language, decision-making, and voluntary movement. The cerebrum is divided into 2 hemispheres, the left and right hemispheres. They communicate through a large bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. The outer layer of the cerebrum is called the cerebral cortex. This folded layer contains billions of neurons and is organized into different regions that process information from your senses and help control movement, language, attention, and other complex functions. But your brain doesn't just think. It constantly receives information from your body and the world around you. When you touch something hot, sensory receptors in your skin detect the temperature and send signals through nerves toward your spinal cord and brain. Your brain rapidly processes that information and helps produce an appropriate response, such as pulling your hand away. This entire communication system works through neurons. A neuron can receive signals from other cells, process them, and send its own electrical signal along its axon. When that signal reaches a connection called a synapse, chemicals known as neurotransmitters can carry the message to another neuron. And this happens again and again, forming enormous communication networks throughout your nervous system. Deep inside the brain is another crucial structure. The brainstem. It helps control essential functions such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and levels of alertness. Nearby, the cerebellum helps coordinate movement, balance, posture, and precision. And the hypothalamus helps regulate body temperature, hunger, thirst, sleep, and hormone-related functions. Perhaps most amazing is that your brain is constantly changing. Every experience, skill, and memory can influence the connections between neurons. This ability is called neuroplasticity. So when you learn a new skill, practice a language, or form a new memory, your brain is not simply storing information. It is physically adapting its networks. And even when you're asleep, your brain doesn't shut down. It continues regulating vital functions, processing information, and supporting important processes involved in memory and recovery. From controlling a single finger to interpreting the world around you. From storing memories to regulating your heartbeat, your brain is working every second of your life. It is one of the most complex biological systems known to science, and remarkably, it is the organ that allows us to understand the world, ask questions, and discover how the brain itself works.